even know why I have to guard here. No one's gonna pull up with a gun on me. I mean, put the gun down. Oh my god.
Stop. Get.
Just driving down the street in my new car.
Yes. Finally hijacked the car.
My ball!
Die. Put your hands in the air.
I'm sorry!
Stupid little kid.
There he is! Pull over! Put your hands in the air! Oh my gosh, he has a gun! Yeah!
Time to die. I got that guy good.
My leg! Oh, hey there!
Such a stupid kid.